Institusinya telah bulan tahun telah menjadi istri yang kelas sah engkau pergauli karena Allah karena Rasul engkau dengan kasih kemudian budaya beberapa betul Allah yang itu
I thought it would be like poetry, that feeling of realize me. They said it would feel so easy, like how a bird takes to trees. They've written the songs and films and books of how it would take just one tiny look to dance and fall away into love, and that's how you know he's the one. It feels like way back when I wish I had known it then. There's no such thing as a soulmate, 'cause love is what you make of it. I think I've got a taste of it. I wish I had known all of this before. I wish I had known, but at least now I know.
Kita berikan tepuk tangan yang paling meriah untuk Agung Hermawan dan juga rekan-rekan dari Sada Jiwa Project atas video Simply Edit untuk Eka dan juga Rifa. Bapak Ibu tamu undangan yang kami hormati, acara selanjutnya adalah kita